Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to enter coordinates in Google Maps application. So, at first we have to enter the search bar here at the top. And now I've saved for myself the coordinates for Warsaw, Poland. So we have to enter at first latitude and then after the comma longitude. So let's switch to numbers, and the Warsaw will be 52.2297. Here we have to type comma, and here 21.0122. Now we have to tap search button, and this is the altitude and longitude for our Warsaw. As you can see, it's done correctly. And if you have some questions, ask them in the comments below. I will respond to them. And yes, you just have to enter the latitude and longitude after the commas. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.